Hi guys, it's Nunu, and we are here in our Flash Fiction 1 assignment worth 120 points. You are viewing and listening to my video about this assignment. Okay, let's survey the assignment. I have a quote from one of my favorite writers, Flannery O'Connor. I write because I don't know what I think until I read what I say. I find this is very true. When you begin this writing process, don't think you have to have it mapped out. Sometimes you write and your characters, the situation you're writing about, will dictate what you say, and even you could be surprised, okay? So give yourself over to the creative process. All right, looking at our assignment, we have 4 links here: the timeline, the requirements, the discussion rubric, and the overview of Flash Fiction. If you've never been in Flash Fiction before, you can learn what it is here in this link. We also have a part 1 and a part 2. The part 1 is the actual Flash Fiction story. The part 2 is your peer evaluations. Okay, I'm going to click on the timeline for us. So our timeline: post part 1, which is your story, by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, take us back into the assignment. I have the requirements are right here, the discussion rubric, how I grade you, and of course the overview of Flash Fiction, what it is, and an example story for you. All right, so you'll want to click on these links and read them, and don't feel constrained. Don't worry about what you have to write. If you do worry, because sometimes you really don't know what you're going to write. You don't know what you're going to say until you read it, until the process is done. It's organic that way sometimes, writing. All right, as always, I'm here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. You're never emailing me too much until you get what you need from me in terms of clear assignment directions or chatting about the assignment. All right, let's have fun.